Good day everyone. Today we are going to tackle about the derivative of logarithmic function, and let us see the concept behind this idea by answering these examples. In today's discussion, we are going to tackle about the derivative of logarithmic function. And to formally start our discussion, let us proceed on writing d over dx. So I want you to introduce on the general expression for the derivative of logarithmic function. So here, derivative of L and U is equal to the derivative of U over the U itself. So for you to clearly understand, I want you to answer this example. So the derivative of ln x. So what is our u here? So our u here is x, and what would be the derivative of x? It should be 1. Therefore, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Okay, let us proceed to our next discussion, or next example rather. So the derivative of ln x squared plus 5. In this example, our u is equal to x squared plus 5. Therefore, the derivative of x squared plus 5 is equal to 2x, and the derivative of 5 is 0. So, therefore, the answer is 2x over x squared plus 5. That is our answer. Okay, now let's proceed to another example. And by this time, we are going to get the derivative of 2 ln 3x plus 2. Our u here, we are getting the u. So the u is So the value of u here is 3x plus 2. And we need to get the derivative of 3x plus 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, our answer is 3 over 3x plus 2. But this is not the final answer, because there is a 2 here. So we need to multiply it by 2. So it will become 6 over 3x plus 2. And that is our final answer.